welcome to yet another episode of Knock Maths Out the Park with me, Mr. Clark. It's lovely to see you again. Well, not see you, but talk to you. Today we are stepping on with our column addition. We are now up to 3-digit, add 3-digit column addition. And this is where it starts to get a bit more exciting. We're dealing with really big numbers and there's lots of skills involved, and we need to be so on the ball so we can knock that ball out the ballpark. So I'm going to get straight into it. Let me just create a number. So let's start with 472. Add 835. Once again, what I like to do, I like to write my H, T and U above my numbers. You'll notice on my board, I'm doing one number per box. It keeps me right, keeps me doing the right things. So once again, my trusty ruler, got to keep it so fresh and so clean. And I'm going to use my ruler, nice little, ooh, a wee bit dodgy there. I really need to buy myself a better board, I think. And we come on and we're going to do our next one. They are some lines that Beyonce would be proud of. Okay, we are now moving on to our problem. So we've got 472, add 835. As normal, we are going to start off with our units. We do not start on our tens, we do not start on the hundreds, we start on the right. Opposite of what we do in writing, where we write left to right. On maths, we're going to start right to left. So let's start with our units. 5 units, add 2 units. Nice easy one to start off with. 5 add 2 is 7. In the case of this sum, there's no carrying to be done. Bonus saves me some hassle for later. Now I go and look at my next number. 7 tens plus 3 tens, which is 7 tens plus 3 tens is 10 tens, also known as 100. So 10 tens. I put my 0 in my tens column and I carry my 100. It still looks like 10, but you always go next door. Take it next door. Now I come on to my hundreds. Once again, I look at my numbers on top. First of all, 800 plus 400. 8 plus 4 is 12, so it's nothing new. 800 plus 400 is 1200. 1200 plus an extra 100, that's 1300. 1300 is the same as 1300. But when it comes to this, we just need to think of that 13. So the 3 goes there, the 300 goes there, and the 1 goes into my thousands column. Now I go and have a look. Nothing in my thousands column up here. I've only got an add symbol here. I've only got 1,000 here. So that 1,000 now finally gets put up on my line. If you want, you can extend this on, but you can see I've nailed it out the ballpark once again. Loving it. 1,307, that is awesome. And as I said, I'm one step closer to being the Beyonce of maths. Catch you later.